Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's Jake. We are back with a brand new video. And as you may no doubt be able to tell, I'm a little bit farther away than usual. Especially for an unboxing. One sec, I was going to set up the TV before I started doing this. Please tell me that, okay. Gotta make sure the volume's down so that I don't get yelled at by the people that I'm watching. So yeah, we have an unboxing today, like I said. Oh, it's on screen. Oh my god. So we have it's on screen already. Boy, I forgot about the little hole here. Jesus. Bloody hell. But anyway, yeah, we have another unboxing. I don't know if you were quick enough to see it, but it is another Lego Jurassic World Dominion set. This is one that I've wanted for a while. Yeah, and also this is the first Lego we got being built in the new location, or I say new location. I got this in New York City at the Lego shop, which cost a bloody fortune. I think it's about $10 more than it is here where I am. I don't know if you can tell or not. I don't live in a city. But yeah, so let's pull it up. Okay, so we have the Quetzalcoatlus set. Quetzalcoatlus Plain Ambush. I'll get close-ups of everything probably. Probably not the books though. But yeah. Again, with all the Lego sets, it shows how big the Quetzal would be as comparison to a human in the Jurassic World franchise. It also shows its foot. So yeah. So it looks like the airplane's got damage features on the back, and I'll show you all those. But this set comes with the Quetzalcoatlus, or Quetzalcoatl, depending on how you say it. I say Quetzalcoatlus. Another Owen Grady. Great. I have more now. Claire Dearing, which is a first for the Dominions one, which is, she's making her first Lego appearance on the channel, and Kiala Whites, or Kayla Whites, Kayla Watts or Kiala Watts, I don't really know which one is right with pronunciation. I call her Kayla Watts, so let's see how this goes, hey? Yeah, it comes with her, who is, I think, a set exclusive. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure she is. She might be the Giga one, but I'm not sure. Yeah, so, yeah, let's get into this. It comes with the plane, the Quetzal, and the characters. And bloody hell is the Quetzalcoatlus huge. I just realized, I know how big, like, these Lego planes are. They get about roughly that big. Some are this big. There are a couple of here, they're pretty big, but they don't usually get bigger than, like, my head is. The Quetzalcoatlus is the same size as the goddamn plane. Like, oh, look at this. That is huge. Probably not drawn to scale, but bloody hell. Oh my, the Quetzalcoatlus is 11 inches long. 11.5 inches long, but Jesus. It comes with 106 pieces. Sorry, my brain is off because I just did math homework. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm going to do a time lapse. The unboxed part isn't really necessary. So yeah, I think I'll just cut right to the time lapse, and I'll see you when that is over. Bye-bye. And we're back. So, in front of me, you might be able to see, we finished it. That's right, we finished it. God. I don't think I'll be building in this specific spot again because my back is numb. Not really, I'm fine. So let's start off with the thing that nobody wants to see. So let's actually start with the thing that we want to see. So this thing comes with, again, I'll do close-ups, guys, in order. So this thing comes with a little kit, that can be dropped very easily. I think I drop everything in every single video at least once. But yeah, but it comes with a fire extinguisher, a torch, or a flashlight, depending on where you live, a wrench. I'm pretty sure it can slide in the back of the plane. I'm about to find out. I don't know. Yes, she can fit in the plane. Now, let's move on to the let's start off with the one that disappoints me the most, Kilowatts. She does have two faces. The hairpiece is cool, but I don't know. I think I expected more. The face is a little bit weird. I don't know. I'll show you again close. The face is really weird. Oh, sorry. Do that one. Moving on to Owen. Owen again has two faces. I'm not going to go into this because this is literally the exact same one. I think it comes in the Malta set. The one with the Atrociraptor Ghost, which was the first of the Jurassic World thing that we did on the channel. So, yeah. Now let's move on to the one that everybody wants to see for this set because it is the newest one that I have. That is probably more entertaining to have than all of them is Claire Deering, and Claire does have two faces. Again, I'll show you that later. But yeah, this character is pretty good. I like the hairpiece. Actually, it's been a while since I've seen like a hairpiece like this in this color. Usually it's blonde or black, but I've seen a redhead version. So yeah. Moving on to the plane. Now this plane, it's Kilowatts' plane, but I think the name is Midnight Oiler. Midnight Oiler. I'm stupid. Yeah, it's Midnight Oiler. So something. Oh, that's not in the way. So a little interesting bit. The wheels don't go in at all. You can't. I mean, you can rip them out pretty easily, but. The blades, obviously, they spin, but they do pop off, too. So the blades pop off, and they easily snap back in. They just have like a little hook system. The back of the plane opens up completely, so you can, that's how I got the little flashlight thing in there. Opens completely. You can hook the roof and stick in your characters. I think it seats two, I could be wrong. It's got like a little joystick thing up here that is like, I think it's like a little bicycle Lego piece that they used. It's got some gears and stuff. Let's put actually no, let's put Kelly in there. She's gonna go in there anyway, but no, I gotta do the close-ups. Yeah. I'm not really sure why it's got like an aircraft carrier like hook mount on it for whatever reason. You know, like with the planes when they land on the carriers, they have little hooks that catch like this really thick metallic wire that stops them. And if they miss the tire, if they miss the rope, they actually gun the plane. And so when they're coming in for landing, they gun the engines and they lift the plane up so that if they miss the wire, they'll continue to fly up and they won't crash on the runway or in front of the boat, which is really not a good place to be. Because if you're in front of that boat, you're done. But yeah, it looks like it's got one of those, but without the hook. Like it's just like this weird shield piece. I've got no clue what the hell it is. But yeah, a lot of detail on the sides. It's got two big stickers that say Midnight Oil on them, which is pretty nice. It's got, I think this plane, I don't think it might be called a biplane. I don't know. Leave the comment section down below if you know what this plane is called. I think it's a biplane, but I'm not sure. But yeah, but I like the damage features where the propellers pop off like they did in the movie, where it was like in the ice and the propellers popped off. Yeah, that's cool. It's a little bit more stocky. It looks more like a van with wings. Is what it looks like a van with wings. I also have to watch my time because I'm supposed to be somewhere in a minute. Yeah, but it looks like a van with wings. It really, like, if you pop off these wings and their connectors, and obviously the back wing that was reminiscent of like one of the I think, or can't say that, the German planes of World War II and of the 40s. I think it looks like that. There's a plane out there that looks like that. There's also an American plane that does something similar to this. Yeah, if you don't know, I like military stuff as well as dinosaurs. Yeah, actually, later on in the future, when we get better with models and stuff, we're going to be building some of the WW2 carriers and battleships, as well as a nuclear power carrier. But that's later down the line when I feel like it. But yeah, so we got this. It's like a flying van or bus. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I actually like it a lot. Moving on to, I hit it against, like, there's you can't see it, but there's a metal frame on this couch bed over here. You've seen it in the video before, and I just whacked the dorsal fins on it, I think is what they're called. Moving on to the Quetzalcoatlus. Jesus Christ, is this thing huge. This, I was literally thinking to myself, a few days ago, LEGO needs to step up their game with their dinosaur figures. Because yeah, I didn't have this yet, so I was like, yes, we have this, but is it really that good? I'll let you know in a minute. The Triceratops, it's a beautiful model. The T-Rex is a great model. The Velociraptor is a great model. And all those, including this, has a great model, but they also have play features. Dude, they also have play features. The Atrociraptor, the Dilophosaurus, and the Pyroraptor are all just hunks of plastic, and that is kind of upsetting to me. The Giganotosaurus has 2 fingers. Why? You have a mold for 3 with the Indominus Rex. Reuse it, because I'm looking at the Giga right now on the TV for Jurassic World Dominion, and it's got the LEGO Indominus Rex arm. You can make that work. The body for the Giga is fine. The head works. The Therizinosaurus has Velociraptor claws, or the sickle claw. Everything else on that thing is fine. The Baryonyx and the Thera, or the Theri, whatever you want to call it, possesses the Indoraptor body sculpt, and they gave that a toe claw, and they have not taken it out, and it's pissing me off. LEGO, you're fantastic. You do almost everything right. Why does that thing still have a toe claw? I don't know, but let's not worry about that because we don't have it yet. Let's look at the Quetzalcoatlus, which is enormous. This thing is a completely new sculpt for LEGO. Completely. Its body is based roughly off the Pteranodons. But wow, this thing. Oh, by the way, I don't want to make it seem like I hate Legos, like, dinosaurs and stuff. No, they're good. They could be better. There are things that they're missing that they shouldn't be. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, even with this, under the jaw, and I get it's got to move, but they could have put in a plastic filler here because they didn't fill it in, so anything you put in this mouth will fall out immediately unless it's off. Under the beak on the top jaw is not painted. It's just white. I don't know why. You could have painted it. You put all this detail into the face. The face looks amazing. The neck, I love this sculpt. It's fantastic. There are parts that could be better, though. The feet. Let's talk about the feet. The feet are phenomenal. They did not take the Pteranodons one where it's literally a single, like, Lego claw on both feet. No, they designed toes for this bastard. Like, there are actual toes for this thing, which is fantastic. It's got the 4 studs, or the 2, 4, 6, and the 8 studs, sorry. 8 studs on its back, as usual, and you can actually place it on a small 2-stud Lego brick. Its jaw obviously opens and closes. It's not like a Pteranodon one either, where that is rubber and the top jaw opens. This thing is 100% solid plastic. And the jaw too is also plastic. I don't know if you've heard me, But every time I open it, it makes a snapping sound. And yeah, and that's amazing, because that means this thing's gonna be sturdy. I've broken a couple of my Lego Pteranodons because of the rubber, because it is, you know what. Now let's talk about the wings. The wings flap up and down, obviously, and they also flap like this. So you can like have it stop in midair and whoosh. You can have a lot of fun with this model if you're a kid. I think every kid will like this. Where I got this set though, it is a little bit on the expensive side. It was around 44 bucks. But then again, I also got it in New York City where an apple was like $30,000, and a car is about $4 billion. The wings are painted, and they do look nice. I do like this. But now for the moment of truth, does it glide? Now, obviously it can't fly because flight requires some form of propulsion. Quetzalcoatlus in real life could fly. Let's see if this sucker glides. For a Lego, that is a... Don't tell me I just broke it. Nope, I just opened it. I just opened its jaw. It didn't know it was dead. For a Lego, that is literally a hunk of plastic. This thing actually got some weight to it. There's a hunk of plastic. It glided pretty well. Now let's talk about size. This is the airplane, right? This is the airplane in my hand. It is a little bit bigger, not by much, a little bit bigger than the palm of my hand. The palm of my hand is decently sized. Alright, it's not huge for a man's hand, but now let's look at the Quetzalcoatlus. It is literally the plane. I'm not shitting you. Look at this. This is the plane, right? This is the Quetzalcoatlus. It is bigger than the bus area, like the cabin area of this plane. Its wingspan is almost the length. It's a little bit shorter than the wingspan of this. Whoa, hello, what did I just break? I broke off the dorsal wing, sorry. But it's a little bit shorter, not in length, but this thing is, when I first pulled this out, I was like, bloody hell, this is huge. This is probably bigger than the Giga, bigger than the Thera, bigger than the Indominus Rex and the T-Rex sculpt. Those are the biggest ones we have right now. I reckon that this, I reckon that this is bigger than those. I love this model. It's such a good model. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Don't worry though, the video's not done because we get to do little walkthroughs with all of these things. So I'm gonna leave it here. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, consider subscribing, click the bell to get notifications on when the latest video comes out. Leave a comment saying hi, or if I've asked you to comment anything during this video. And I will see you all later. Bye-bye.